This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next
Oh,
level.
hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I am giving you guys an update on Tapestri. Tapestri is where you can earn um, with an app running in the background. You can earn up to $25 a month. They do not sell that you have your location. As long as your location is turned on, you will earn. Your data that they're capturing is not any personal data that they're capturing from you, and I've done videos on this previously. I'll have the playlist linked at the end of this video, but we've been waiting for it to the app to launch, and it has now your data, just so you know, is already being used and you're not being paid for it, just so you know. That's how you um, on your phone, that it's already being used. So you this is a company that is setting things up so you can be paid for your data. It is finally got approval through the Apple Store. That's what we were waiting for, and they're going to be having a meeting, a Zoom meeting on today at 4 p.m. Let me go back and check in the Facebook group. 4 p.m. Central Standard Time today. Um, I'll have the link to this Zoom meeting in the description of this video, where they're going to talk about why, when the official launch will be. We finally got approved, so uh, the app is not going to go live before 4 p.m. We will share the strategy and go live after. See you then. So the app is going live after this Zoom meeting. So if you are already a part of Tapestri and you're waiting for the launch, you don't want to miss this Zoom meeting. Again, I will have this link to the Zoom linked in the description of this video. You want to come and check it out. If you are an affiliate, then uh, they're probably going to talk about when you're going to get your first earnings paid. I think November 15th is the first date. So you earn as an affiliate in here, just so you know, you're earning $1 for your first level and second level. I'm gonna have to go through that. I went over this in a video. It's been so long since I've reviewed their compensation plan, but yeah, I am currently a super affiliate, and I have one super affiliate on my team. So I earn um, as a super affiliate, I earn from his affiliates as well. So if you want to become an affiliate before they cut off the promotion is you can be an affiliate for $9.95 for the whole and for 12 months. After that promotion is over, it's going to be $9.95 a month to be an affiliate. All right. So if you don't want to be an affiliate by bringing people in, then you can just download the app and earn for free. Once the app goes live, I'll probably do a video on that, and then I think that's what they're saying, that they'll announce all of that today. So make sure, if you want to learn more about that, make sure you come to that Zoom meeting so you can capture. If you are someone watching this and you know you can get people to join you, you definitely want to become an affiliate ASAP so you can get those commissions. Okay, if you and come to that Zoom meeting. All right. Now, if you're already in Tapestri, you need to definitely be in that Zoom meeting. Okay. Now, I am going to, after that is done, after we launch, um, my group and another group that I'm a part of within the 100K Club, we have another program that we're doing. We're doing Tapestri, and with our earnings, we're taking that and we're um, if these are for affiliates only. Now, if you're not um, interested in recruiting or buying traffic or anything like this won't be for you. But I'll be sharing something for that so you can make even more money on top of what you make in Tapestri. I'll be sharing that in another video. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss it. So this is a time to get the money. Get your money up. So it's coming close to the end of the year. It's becoming that time of the year. I don't know if you buy gifts for people for the holidays. Um, if you have something going on, you want to, increase your income for the year. So you can purchase a home or, have it showing on your income tax for the year. This is the time to, stop sitting on the fence and start doing something to bring you in some money. If you want to take your money to the next level, then um, then the tap to 100K may be something you may be interested in. By not if you're not a recruiter and you don't want to bring other people in, there's a way that I can help you do that with buying traffic. Okay. Now, again, that's my update on Tapestri. Make sure you are, I'll have, like I said, the link for the Zoom will be and the link for the Facebook group will be so you guys can follow what's going on if you're not already in their Facebook group. I'll have both of them in the description of this video. All right. So that's it, guys. So I'll see you guys. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to just go ahead and get signed up in Tapestri, you can pre-register. My link will be in my link tree. You'll put your email in and you can be ready for that app to go live and you can start earning up to $25 a month. All right. And then if you want to become an affiliate, you can go from there. So all right, so that's it. That's all. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the